Best free website builders to create $10,000 sites. There are 6 free website builders that could build you a $10,000 website, and I've spent way too much money on websites in the past, only to end up losing money. I've thrown money at web hosting, domain names for projects that didn't go anywhere, and a bunch of tools. So for the next site I'm planning on building, I'm determined to keep it totally free, no spending at all. The site I'm building is for a fishing website, dedicated to people who love to go fishing, answer fishing related questions and such. I don't need anything fancy, just a simple one-page site will do. I want a nice photo, a spot for a few videos, and a contact form. So here's the plan. Can I actually pull this off with one of those free website builders? Let's dive in and test out 7 of them to see which one works best for me. Dora. Dora is a web design tool released in 2021. Once logged in, you receive some complimentary credits to experiment with the AI-driven website builder. Initially, the tool presents a font and presents several style options, including preset themes or a custom choice, depending on the level of control you desire over the design. For this demo, I'll go with one of the preset styles. After entering the details, Dora provides a few preview options for me to check out. Now, let's jump to the results. Before making any changes, I'll show you what the website looks like without changing anything. And it looks pretty impressive. AI-generated sections such as home, about, inventory, contact, and appointments, all great sections even for beginners. From here, we can start customizing the design, incorporating interactions like buttons and other elements. You can change individual sections, request the AI to modify specific areas, or even recreate the entire site if the initial results don't meet your expectations. There's also a mobile version accessible on the left side of the editor. The quality of the generated images is excellent. It even includes call to action features, which is a nice touch. However, I should point out that Dora is better suited for users with some web development knowledge, which might make it challenging for complete newbies. There is a learning curve for sure. Fully mastering the platform could take several months, particularly for complex projects. Wix. Up next, we have Wix. Wix provides visually appealing templates tailored for small businesses, restaurants, online shops, musicians, photographers, and artists. There are over 900 plus free templates available that can be personalized to suit your preferences. These templates are designed to perform well on a mobile device, though you may need to adjust the layout a bit. With Wix, you can start with a free plan, but if you want additional benefits like a custom domain name, priority support, or e-commerce options, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. I must say, Wix ranks among the top website builders if you're using one of their paid options. The range of features such as live chat, email marketing, allowing clients to book and pay for appointments, hotel bookings, and much more is impressive. However, there are a few drawbacks to their free plan. Later in the video, you'll discover that some of their competitors do not face these same issues. One of the main concerns is the URL. Overall, I really think they have accomplished a great job with AI as it generated me some noteworthy results. If there's one thing I would tweak, it's the drag and drop feature. For example, if I wanted to replace the background image, I can do it easily. It also enables image generation through AI. If I explore this area, you'll see that there are additional tools to your disposal. This is kind of intriguing. Text generator, section builder, and theme assistant. Most website builders offer a free subdomain. For additional pages, it typically looks like this. For the blog, about me, and service sections. With Wix, you end up with a considerably longer URL that combines both your account name and the specific site name. The URL becomes even longer for other pages, such as about me and services. Their paid plans? I actually like those, but this free version is a hard pass. Reloom, Webflow. The next website comes hand in hand and is so much better when combined together. Webflow is a website builder that I really like. There are some awesome YouTube tutorials out there that show you how to recreate the Mercedes-Benz homepage and other slick sites. It has tons of designs options and a solid CMS, which is super handy if you're planning to post a lot of content. If you're putting together a free website, you probably don't have much web development experience, and Webflow can feel a bit tricky to navigate. That's where Reloom comes in to make things easier. When I start with Reloom, I just type in my prompt, and in no time, it builds a sitemap. A basic layout of the site that I can tweak. I can take out sections, and once I hit the wireframe button, it quickly generates an entire website wireframe, and it actually looks pretty decent as well. The best part? When you're ready, you can send this to Webflow, but just remember that you need a paid plan for that. As for the limitations, you can only create 2 static pages, usually a home page and maybe an about us page, no extra pages like services or contact us. Also, if you're stuck with the same 1 GB bandwidth limit and only allowed 50 form submissions while your site is up, on the bright side, the ad on the free site is way smaller than the Wix ad. Card. Up next is Card. The main goal of Card is to help you create a one-page website. Their templates are excellent, making it quite simple to build a one-page using card. While it may not have extensive functionality, I believe it offers some potential for development compared to Google Sites or Canva. Your card subdomain will have a specific format and updating it is effortless. Their paid plan costs only $19 annually. Many websites builders charge this amount monthly. With an upgraded plan, you can access additional themes, which enables you to create a multi-page website. You can also integrate payment widgets to charge your customers and forms to gather their contact information. Using Card, I managed to design the website precisely as I imagined. When I clicked publish, I was able to select my own URL, which was a significant advantage. Overall, Card is a great pick for people who are just starting to figure out websites and want something simple to use. It's perfect for anyone needing a straightforward website like a basic brochure to show off a product or display a few images in a portfolio. Small business owners might find Card really handy, as they can whip up web pages to act as online brochures or landing pages. Almost every other website builder provided me with a random URL, but Card did not. And for the ad, it was minimal, so subtle that it was hardly noticeable. Additionally, the site looked fantastic on mobile devices, which was another positive aspect. Canva. Last on the list is Canva. I usually think of Canva as just a graphic design tool, not really a website builder. But Canva is a fantastic option for whipping up a free one-page website. If you've used Canva before, it's a lot like making a PowerPoint presentation. You can easily design each section, add few elements, change the formatting, throw in animations, and so much more. While the website builder doesn't let you create multiple pages, you can make a bunch of one-page sites and link them up with a button or a link. But I was surprised by how their free website turned out. I managed to create a design that really matched what I had in mind, and when I hit publish, I was relieved to see the ad was pretty small and tucked away in the footer. The only bummer was the URL. Canva gave me this awkward link that I wasn't into. Maybe I messed something up, but still it was frustrating. On the bright side, you can save up to 5 GB on their free plan, which is way more than what you get with Wix. Plus, there are no bandwidth limits. The free subdomain is kind of long, but not as clunky as Wix or Google Sites. I'd love if it were something like mybus.canva.site instead of mybus.my.canva.site, but it's not a huge deal. Canva websites are great for sharing info, like for a wedding, an event, showing off your portfolio or promoting your services, but they aren't really made for businesses that want to sell stuff online. You don't find any e-commerce features, appointment booking, or other functionalities you'd get from those website builders we talked about earlier. Comparison? First, let's talk about Dora. While the tool provides solid templates and customization options, it's better suited for those with some web development knowledge, making it less beginner friendly. And if you want to build a more serious website with Dora, I recommend going for the $25 plan. But if it's just a simple site, the $14 plan should work just fine. Second, Wix. The free plan has some drawbacks like long URLs and ads, but if you really want to upgrade and unlock the better side of Wix, the combo plan starts at $16 a month and gets you custom domain, no ads, and 3 GB of storage. Now, as for Reloom and Webflow, Reloom makes it easier to use Webflow's feature by creating sitemaps and wireframes that you can send straight to Webflow for customization. On the flip side, Webflow's free plan limits users to just 2 static pages and has some lower bandwidth. But at least the ads aren't as annoying as those on Wix. Webflow is packed with design options, making it a great choice if you've got a bit of design know-how. Now, Card. Card is a user-friendly featuring simple templates and excellent mobile compatibility. The paid plan is very affordable at $19 per year and includes multi-page support and payment integration. Card is ideal for users who want a straightforward, visually appealing brochure-style site without the complication of other website builders. And lastly, Canva. While it lacks multi-page or e-commerce features, it's excellent for personal projects or portfolios. Canva offers generous storage and minimal ads, but the URL structure could be improved. It's perfect for events, portfolios, or services, but not suited for business transactions. That's it for this video. If you learned a thing or two from this website and would like to see more content about building websites and similar topics using AI tools, please let me know. I'd be happy to create more videos like this. See you next time.